But just like common people like you and me, when we build them for eternity. Welcome back to Straight Yard TV, guys. We're making some authentic meal today, so welcome to the TV, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In the kitchen we're going today, guys. Straight Yard Kitchen. Okay, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In the kitchen with you today, guys. I'm gonna make something traditional, okay? This is something long time traditional, something I'm gonna tell you about, guys. It's called Blue Draws, okay? Or Duckunoo, or tire leaf. Other people know they call it different name, okay? So, listen, guys. This is a recipe if you want to learn to make it, because it's a highly requested recipe I'm making today, guys. A lot of people been requesting, asking me to make it, okay? I tell them I could make it in all different ways, but I'm gonna show them one easy, simple way to make it today, guys. Okay, because you could make it with banana, you could make it with cassava, you could make it with yam, you could make it with cocoa, you could make it with all different types of things, guys. Okay? So, today I have a piece of yuca. Nice piece, nice one. I have 2 small Jamaican sweet potato, guys. Remember, they are 2 small Jamaican sweet potato. Don't substitute. If you want the real taste and the real flavor, use the Jamaican sweet potato, guys. Okay? Give you the right flavor and the good benefits. Alright. I have a dry coconut here. I'm gonna break it. Get the juice out. I'll probably just blend it today. Nothing no grating. We're gonna blend it out and get the juice. We need like about 4 cups of juice in total. Okay? I have some cornmeal here. I have some flour here. I have some sugar here, guys. I have cinnamon here. I have some allspice mix. I have my vanilla. I have my rose water. I have my nutmeg. And this is my ginger, guys. Okay, this is a powdered ginger. Very strong. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna start with some preparing and show you how it goes, guys. And guys, the major thing I have to show you, let me get it. So guys, this is the major thing I'm telling you about. We have to have this to make it, guys, okay? This is the banana leaf. Guys, I was hunting for it so long. It's hard to get, but I find a store that sell it. And it has to be kept frozen. When you're gonna take it out, you gotta take it out, tie it out. For using this, guys, you have to make sure this is soft and texturized, okay? So you could parch it on the stove or you could boil it in hot water. But I'm gonna parch it the original way, the traditional way that I used to, okay, guys? So, I'm glad I'm getting this. Because without this, it don't give me the real flavor I'm looking for, guys. You could make it in foil paper also, but this is the original way. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys, okay? Because I'm gonna start get things prepared. So guys, I'm gonna break this coconut, open it, cut it up, get the juice out. So stay tuned. Yeah, this is bone dry, is that? I'm gonna try to take off all the shell without breaking up. Each of them. This is how you take out a dry coconut, guys. No picking, no digging out. It's bone dry, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead, cut it up real fast, put it in the blender, blend it out. I'm gonna save a little piece to grate, like about this. I need this little piece to grate in the mixture, guys, because I need some flakes in it. I don't need the trash that I blend out. All the juices are already gone. I need something with flavor. Okay, my peeps? So watch that one. That one is a long time something. Who remember a morning time when they used to go to school and in the morning all you got is 1 tire leaf and some chocolate tea, guys, and you head off to school. Or 1 Blue Draws or whatever you guys call it. And some tea, mint tea, fever grass tea, you know them country bush tea. And you head off to school, guys, or eat 2, that hold you for all day. Trust me, all day that hold you for. Sometimes we eat it at evening time for dessert, guys. Like when we finish eating dinner, yeah, we eat one for dessert, you know? How we typical Jamaican style, you know? Blue Draws, total, pudding, all them things, you know. Real nice on the palate, guys. Especially when you make it the right way. Trust me. So I'm gonna get this in the blender right away. I'm gonna start with some blending. I need some juice, guys. Some juice. Release the juice real fast. You know it. Like a blend. You see it, guys? So it's nice and white and creamy. Good. I'm just gonna juice out the trash out of it, guys. And then I'm gonna strain it out. Rich. Nice and rich. Okay, my peeps, so what I'm doing, just chilling out the coconut. Take out all the trash. No trash. Only the juice I need. No trash around here. Okay guys, like I tell you, I'm saving a little piece to grate out some trash, but I need the trash with the juice, not the one that grated out earlier. So I'm just gonna grate this little piece, put in my mixture. Okay? Not gonna juice this one. This one gonna have all the juice inside of it. All the flavor. You could make flakes if you want. Some people make it with flakes, coconut flakes. I don't really like the flakes too much. Okay, my people. So I'm gonna measure out the cornmeal so you guys see exactly what I'm doing, okay? So come with me and work with me. This is 1 cup. Two cup. Three cup. I'm gonna go with 3.5 cup, guys. 3.5 cup, okay? That's basically like about half cup. Put them more. Half cup. 3.5, okay? Show you how to make some real blue draws, my people. Some real blue draws, some real tire leaf, we call it. Now get up. Okay? Alright, so we are going with only 1 cup of flour. Because this is a combined agent. You don't want it to overpower the thing and let the thing tight and tough. Okay, guys? So just 1 cup of flour we are work with. If a little spill over, that don't do nothing, guys. Don't worry about that. 1 cup, okay? We're not putting nothing more in that. Okay? This and this, we finish with them. Right, so only the sugar leaf. So here what happen now, guys. I'm gonna peel these. I'm gonna grate them. I could blend them if I want to blend them, but when I blend it, I get the texture I need. I don't want it too liquidy and soft. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead, peel this and grate it and bring it back. I'm gonna show you the process also, so stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful people, now I'm peeling the potatoes, guys. So getting them ready to grate. Like I said, you could cut them up or you could puree them in a blender, okay? But I'm doing it the traditional way, guys. Okay? This is the traditional way we used to do it back home. When, not me, my father used to do it. And then I get to learn to do it from him. Okay? This is how I get these recipes, all these recipes from him. I watch him all the time when he's cooking. I'm always in the kitchen with him. So this is the way I see he do it. So this is the way I'm doing it too, guys. But I could use the blender because up to the other day I'll make some with the blender. I'll show you one day the blender trick. But you can do it in the blender, okay? I'll show you that one day, guys. But like I said, them 2 sweet potatoes, yeah? 2 of them I use because they're small. If you have one big one, that's good. These are 2 little small ones. And like we say, we can make this in all different ways. Okay? You could add yellow yam. You could add even a piece of white yam. And you don't have to use no flour. I could show you a lot of different ways to make this, guys. You could use banana. Okay? Just watch it. Watch this one. This one is the cornmeal one. We call it the cornmeal Blue Draws. We have the banana Blue Draws. Okay? See there? Nice one. We have one cassava here, one yuca, about 1.5 pounds. All of it we are used today, guys. All. And then I'm gonna show you how to peel these things, guys, because some people peeling these things and they're peeling it like they're peeling food. These things peel like this, guys. It's strip. You don't go in it and damage it. It's strip. Look. This is the way you peel these things, okay? It's a skin. I see people peeling it like this. Down in it, down in it, down in it. All they do is taking off the food. This is how you peel it, guys. Look. You get in it and you strip it around. Take off the skin. See that? Very easy. Not hard. You only want to get it started. See that? So pretty it is. Very easy. Don't have to be digging and cutting and going on like you want to cut off your finger. Very easy. Get the knife on it and work it. See that? Skin come off very easy. See that, guys? Very easy. See that? Very, very easy. Nothing hard and complex. Okay. See that? Hit that, my peeps. So right now, grate out that here, my peeps, because the grater I call it. Original grater I bring from Jamaica. Can't find, I don't know who will let it or who take it away. But I'm gonna bring back one of the original one again when time I go back to Jamaica, guys. The one that have the big hood. Remember the first time this one? We're making that piece of big hood with great, real good? Yeah. These people want to buy them all the time when they break. They don't have no use. So right away, we are going and go grate out these things, guys. Like I tell you, you could cut them up in chunks and you could put them in a blender. But I'm doing it the original way. Okay? Because this is the Asian dish. It's an original dish. Okay, guys? There is a thing in this thing, you know. A lot of people don't know that it have a... let me show you. In the middle. See this string? You can take it out. A lot of people don't even know about that. Even when it boils and you cook it, you gotta take it out. They don't eat the string. Don't listen to them. They don't know about yuca. I'm telling you about yuca. We grow these things back home. Okay? So once you get out that middle string, you can keep grating. And guys, the grater is really complex. You gotta know how to use grater. That's why a lot of people, they work with the blender. Okay guys, so see, Now we finish with the cassava. Now we're on to the potato. I'm gonna just continue grate the potato. Same way like the cassava, guys. Same way. Quick and fast. This thing make you healthy too, you know, guys. You exercise your muscle. Keep you fit. Okay, my people, so here is it. That is the potato and the cassava already grated, guys, with the grater, okay? People, so that is the flour and the cornmeal I showed you from earlier on. Before I grate this out, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And make it sure that is 1 teaspoon. See there? 1 teaspoon of salt. Right? All I'm doing is mix up the flour with the cornmeal a little bit. That's all. Mix them up. Mix them up. Just mix them up a little bit. That's all I'm doing right there. Okay. So now everything mixed up. Well, go ahead and add in the wet ingredients, guys. Okay. So this is the sweet potato and the cassava. Alright, my peeps. Right now, I'll add a little bit of the milk. We're going to mix it slowly as we go along, guys. We're not going to put all the milk one time. Okay? Real blue jaws, my people. Real blue jaws. Real tire leaf. And guys, you're looking for a consistent texture, okay? You don't want it to be watery and you don't want it to be too thick, else it will tight. When I say tight, I mean tough. You don't want it like that. Okay? Going with a little bit more. And this is 4 cups of coconut milk, guys, that I get from the coconut that I grated and juice. Yeah, 4 cups. So the new style of mixing. Mix and fold, okay? They call it mix and fold. Okay, that looking good so far. So right now, my pips, you know what? Let me wash this out. I don't want nothing to waste. I'm gonna wash out this too. That's what I grated with the potato and the cassava, guys. Let me just get rid of everything. Not now waste, not now that shit. Put him in there. Get rid of that. Okay. So go ahead with some key ingredients, guys. This is the time you gotta pay attention. Okay? So right now, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, guys. Okay? This is 1. It's 2. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, guys? I'm giving you the exact measurement. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay? I'm putting just a cork of my, just a corkful, because this is very strong, guys. This is rose water. Okay? So I'm only gonna put a corkful of the rose water. Just a cork. Just a cork, like that. And I'm gonna have some real mixed spice, the liquid one, guys. Okay? This is very strong also. So I'm only going with a corkful. You know, you're gonna spice up the thing with people and make the thing nice. Tastes good when you eat it, you say, yes, I want one more. Okay? I'm gonna go in with some ginger, guys. This is my powdered ginger that I tell you about before, ground ginger. So I'm gonna put like about, don't wanna come out, so let me open him up and take him out. I put like about a half teaspoon of him, like that, ginger powder, guys. Because it's strong. Okay? Now, I have to grate this thing, my friend. So I'm gonna need like probably a teaspoon grated nutmeg. My friend call it something. What I'm doing, just put it in a piece of clean napkin, because I'm gonna use it right away, okay? Great. This is the real nutmeg, guys. Real nutmeg. This is what gonna give it the kick, my friend. Okay. So here you have it. Here you have it, okay? And I'm gonna measure it out for you too. I think this is like about a tablespoon. Like about a tablespoon, guys. See? Tell you. Yeah? Like a tablespoon. Nutmeg, okay? Alright. So now, we are going with 2.5 cups of brown sugar, guys. Don't substitute for white sugar if you want the real flavor, okay? 1 cup. Now we have to sweeten up the thing nice, you know, guys. As a matter of fact, I don't like my thing too sweet, so I'm just going with 2 cups. Just 2 cups of sugar, guys. I don't want it too sweet. What we are gonna do is mix. Remember we had the rest of coconut milk there, you know, guys. We have to mix in the thing properly, you know. Keep mixing the thing. Mixing the thing. The spice can fly up, guys. Make everything go equal. Okay? And the blue draws they are gonna turn up. Trust me. How much people want to taste it already and it's not done yet. How much requests. Guys, the request is a lot. So here we have the rest of the coconut milk, guys. We're gonna add it in there. So it's a full 4 cups of coconut milk, okay? Nothing less. See that? We're gonna mix him up now. Because we don't want no lump in him, my people. No lump at all. We don't want it in him. We want it to have the right texture, the right consistency. Okay? Let's mix him up for my people. See there? See that, my people? Put the muscle in it and mix up the thing. Mix out the thing properly. Mix it out. No lump. See that? No lump. See? This is the consistency you're looking for, my people. Something like this. See that? No water around here. Nothing watery. And nothing too dry. Okay? You have a perfect consistency. See there? Keep mixing it, people. Mix it. Mix it so all the spice spread equally. And all that sugar and all that salt spread equally. Okay? And then, least but not last, guys, I'm gonna get the key thing that I have here. To add it in right away. You see these, guys? This is a piece of coconut, I tell you, a grater. And I didn't squeeze it out. I didn't juice this one. This is natural coconut. So I'm gonna put these trash in it, okay? That add a little trash, peeps. But I don't want the trash that already juiced, so I just grate a little piece and put it down. I didn't juice it. Then I'm gonna mix this into my peeps. Mix in the thing. The thing turn up. You know, taste this, they're gonna say, guys, want more. Gonna have to send some to me. Make it and send it directly to me. Ship it to me. Trust me. My whole time sitting on my people. Whole time. Way back. From I was a little boy, my pops used to make these things. Trust me, and let me tell you, whole time days, whole time food. Strongest food them. And the sweetest food them. Keep you healthy and fit. Like these new generic food where them come in and everything magnifying on the people. And I whole time sitting there keep it strong. Eat one of this and go to school. Whole day you play a game, guy, you know how to get hungry. Trust me. See it, my people? See the consistent that I look for? That is it. Nothing running, nothing watery. That is the perfect consistent. And this is why I'm telling you guys, if you follow me step by step, you'll never go wrong. Trust me, because I'm giving you the exact and the right measurement to make it nice. So, okay, my beautiful people, you see, at this point, you can go ahead. And like I tell you, you can do it in a mixer. If you have a blender or a mixer, you could just put all the ingredients in one, mix it up, pour it out, ready to tie. But you gotta know how to get this texture in the blender. Okay? This is the key. You don't want nothing watery that when you tie it and put it in the boiling water, everything run out in the pot, guys. Okay? But you still can do it in the blender. I'm gonna show you one day how to do it in the blender and it come out real good same way. Okay? Your mixer, whatever you got, fruit processor, anything like that. Alright? At this point now, guys, you can taste it to see if you need more sweetener or you need it to just the way it is. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand like that. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah. Could be a little bit sweeter. Like I said, if you have 3.5 enough it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar, guys, because I just tasted it. I need it to be a little bit sweeter. So that's why I tell you 2.5 cups. That's what I tell you in the first place. And taste it, boy. And tell me what you think. You know what it is?
Hello, peeps.
You know what I make? You know?
No.
You know what I make? What I make?
Wait, so look like a pudding.
No.
Or something.
You're close.
Or something like that. What do you call it? Something like that. Hey. Long time name for your my name Blue Draws.
Yeah, man. A Blue Draws I make you know.
Why are the other peeps?
Alright, taste you know and tell me how it done. You don't have to taste too much, you know, just the flavor you look for.
Yeah.
See that? You know, cook it, you know, when you cook a different business, you know, all that flavor will not turn out.
I like every peeps. I like every original way.
Alright, so what we have to
Don't have
do,
the flavor already.
if I go stay one side there, so relax. We'll get the banana leaf, guys. And we're gonna have to quail the banana leaf. You could boil the banana, just boil some hot water and pour it on the banana leaf. And keep it there for a little bit, it soften it also. We're going to give you the original traditional way. Okay, my people, so see what I go on there. Put on the pot on fire now, just turn them on. I'll put a little salt in the pot, my people. Just a little bit of salt. You know? Flavor up the water. You don't have to put nothing in it, but I put something in mine. 1 cinnamon stick. Couple cloves. Season up the water, my people. You can taste it nicer. See banana leaves on my pips? Right there. So it's coming up, people. You see a barrel bite and you have tear up already. You just fold it up and give it the same way. You see what I'm talking about? Alright. So what we are going to do, we'll go ahead and wash them off. And then dry them off and patch them. Alright, my people, so the banana leaf here, so then send them come. Tear up, that's why we like when we are Jamaica, you know. We just go out banana tree, go cut banana tree and get nice banana leaf. Because we buy them banana leaf here, they come in a pack. And you see them already split up, my people. Split up, split up, split up. Anyway, we'll go ahead and wash them off. And take off them pieces off of it. Wash them off and see what we can get out of them. So we have to wash them off and clean them up. And then we have to dry them off. And start. Okay. Like I say, my peeps, them come in a pack. We not grow banana tree in America. So most some Caribbean country them send them from. Or some people come up with this idea how to get it to us. So basically what I do and my peeps is take them apart and wash them. You know the amount of leaf I think we're going to need to wrap. So some of them already split the piece, so we don't want them split up no more. We have to clean them up. Then we have to dry them off, we have to patch them. I go ahead and dry them off, you know my peeps. So we can get them to heat them and quail them, you understand? So they're soft. So you can get to do what you're doing with them, okay? When they're soft. So. Right now I'm gonna take off back the water. I'm gonna dry a couple of them first. Guys, because they was frozen, I have to take them out and I have to let them tie out and then I have to wash them off and then cut them up and then I have to dry them off because I'm gonna quail them on the heat so they're easy to use, okay? Now we finished with the leaves. I already washed them, clean them up. So basically what I'm gonna do now is just quail them, guys. So I'm gonna quail them to get them softened up, okay? So I'll just put it around the heat, you see? You see how fast, you see the difference, guys? That's when I'm quailing it. That's what we call quail. Softening up the leaf, guys. Softening up the leaf so we can be able to wrap them without them break, okay? That's what we're doing. Okay. This is what we call quill. I'll do one more for you because I'm gonna wrap some right away, guys. See that, my peeps? That is it. That's what we call quailing glaze. Quailing the leaf, guys. Okay guys, so this is the way you quail the leaf, okay? And I'm gonna tell you the next way you can quail the leaf, guys. You could just boil up some hot water, real hot water, and just pour it on the hot water and soften them up same way. I keep them in the hot water for a little bit, the boiling water, okay? And you get it the same way. If you don't wanna do what I'm doing here. But I know this gives you a lot of flavor. This is the original way. Quail the leaf over the fire, guys. Ready to wrap. Okay, they're softening up the leaves. That's what we're doing right here. So it shines the color. Yeah, that's how you know the leaf is quail. Okay, so it's soft, easy to handle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, cut off my card. Guys, if I was in Jamaica, I would have the real banana start to tight, but we have to work what we got. So we're gonna use some kitchen tie. Alright, so I have my tie here. Have my banana leaf ready. See it there? See it there? See it, guys? Okay. So what we're gonna do is just in the blue draws, okay? I'm making nice size, not no small baby ones. So all I gotta do is just pick up the two ends of the leaf like that. And you even the two ends of the leaf, guys. Just like that, okay? And you set it like that. Then you take your time and you fold it. Fold it like that. You see? It's so easy it rolls because I have it. And then you can just take it up and tuck it like this. See that? And you do the same thing with this one. Tuck it like that. Okay, you see? Just like that. See that, my peeps? So you get the card and you tie it. This is what we're talking about. You're gonna tie the card. So you tie the card like, come over. Enough card to go around and around. See, I always have the card an equal amount. So what I like to do, I like to go around it twice. So tight like that, okay guys? Give it a nice tie. Okay? And then you can come back around if you want to make sure. Give it a next tie again on this side. And then you're gonna go this way now, my people. And come this way. Okay? And give it a tie. See? You're not gonna pull it too hard on this way now. This is just to lock it. Okay? So look at me again. Then I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna put him in a bow tie like that. Okay? And you can come back around if you want one more time. Up to you if you have enough card to waste. And you just do it like that. Very easy, very simple. You pull on it and you tie him up. Just like that. Okay? Some people like to make bow tie like that. It doesn't matter. Okay? That's one, okay? Well tight, nice and tight. That is the thing, guys, okay? Okay, my people. So right now, see water here. I season up already. Start soon boil up. So we're gonna put these on the inside of that when it start boil up. You know it goes. We have a little bit leaf here. Everybody keep asking if they have to use banana leaf. So I'm gonna show you guys that you can use foil paper also with this portion that leaf. So I'm gonna show you 2-step in one shot. Okay guys, so stay tuned, watch the video. Tire leaf for your cook, blue draws, Duckunoo, anything they call it. So the water get ready, my people, see there? Cinnamon stick, and the clove and little salt. So the water look pretty. Good. Season up my water. So now we put in these bad boy and I hit it, know it go. Then they are the real tire leaf, my people. Okay? So I have to do the rest with some foil paper. Okay, my people, so we are going to put a different pot with the same seasoning. Little clove, this is a cinnamon stick. Little salt for the water. That's it. Because I'm going to put this one in the foil paper. So I'm going to put a different pot for that one. Okay? This one is for the real one with the banana leaf. This is for the foil paper. I only put on a pot for that, so you know it go already, my people. Okay, my people, see there? Water boil up nice. You see the color? That's the color from the cinnamon stick and the clove with a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna add these now, my people, because the water kick up, ready for add in. So let's go ahead and add them in softly in the pot. Understand? You understand what I say? Straight yard style. Okay, these blue draws are gonna be so nice, guys. Trust me, I'm not telling you. See there? Hit that on the people. So we'll cover up the pot now and we'll make the fire do some work. See there? So them nice and pretty. Wow. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Right amount of water for the right amount. So at the same time we have a little bit leaf, so we're gonna show you that you can work in the foil paper also, my people. So I'm gonna do some in a foil paper. So I just put a new set of water on. As soon as it start to boil, we're gonna start wrap them out in the foil paper in the pot. Kitchen with that. Alright, my people, we are going to put in something on the foil paper for you now. I'll show you that it can work in the foil paper also. Just the same way like the leaf, but trust me, the leaf have better flavor no matter what you do. So just wrap them up same way. Wrap them up same way. Lock the bottom. Lock the bottom. Lock the top. Just the same way. Okay. Wrap them up and put them in. And any size you want to put them into. I'm not gonna make no big ones. I'm gonna make some small, nice ones. Okay, my people. I'm gonna feed them quick and fast. Okay. Open the foil paper for me. Show you what. The foil paper, wrap the foil paper. Wrap the foil paper. Lock one in. Lock anyone to lock. You understand? You know. Lock that in. See that? Come all the way back down. Lock him from down. Same thing. Okay? Lock up them one or two. Put on fire. Cook them one or two. And see if them taste the same, guys. I'm gonna actually see which one tastes better. I know what's the one in the banana leaf already. Trust me. So you all different way you can wrap them. Very easy. Same thing. Alright? The last one. This is the last one. We're gonna make it a big one. Alright. That is it. It's a nice big one, guys. The last one. The last one. The last one. Okay. Yeah. We have a straight in the pattern on my feet. Straight in a pot. Straight in a pot we have out there. These are the ones in the file papers, guys. I'm gonna show you can work with the file paper also. Just like the banana leaf. But the banana leaf gives you a better result. All the time. Right. See. Okay, my beautiful people. So see the tire leaf here. See the real blue draws there, guys. We turn off the fire now. We're done cook it, okay? I'm gonna take him out of the fire. I'm gonna put him out to cool off. So people, so we're ready. We're finished with this one. So we're gonna take them out of the water and let it drain out a little bit and cool down. So you know they're well hot now. So we can get to eat some of these lovely, see them guys? Nice and firm, no little funky tire leaf. These are real tire leaf, my people. When you eat one of these, you're ready to go to school. This keep you all day. 1 cup of chocolate tea or some mint tea or some fever grass or something. What? See the guys? This one is so good. Guys, you know you gotta careful when you're taking them out of the pot because you know they're real hot. Okay? So don't play around with them too much. They will burn you. Real hot. Okay? See them there? Okay. All different sizes and shapes. Beautiful. See that, my people? Tell me so that no nice. Look at it, the people. This blue draws is gonna be so delicious, guys. Just wait until it cools down a little bit. I'm gonna dig in it for you guys. I'm gonna show you what's going on with it. In the meantime, I have the other one over here with the file paper that tells you I'm steaming out. Because I'm gonna show you can do the same way. But I know this one have more flavor. I don't have to ask you. I'm telling you this one have more flavor with the banana leaf. But I'm going to show you an easier way. That's why I'm doing it with the file paper. Also for you guys. To who can get banana leaf and all these things. You have to work with the file paper and do the same ingredients like me. You come out with a nice one same way. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch the video. Make it cool off. We are going to dig in it, my people. So this is the one with the file paper. Let me turn off the fire because this one I put it on last. So I'll take them out of my people. Take them out of, put them out to cool. So you know them hot. And when I say hot, I mean real hot. Okay? Real hot. careful when you take it out. It's real hot. Okay? Okay? Nice and pretty. Alright, my people. So this is the one with the file paper. You see how much we make? Because there are a lot of people gonna eat. A lot of people request. Okay? So we have to cook them. So I'm gonna make them cool. And then you know it, my people, we're gonna dig in it for you. So let them cool off a little bit because they're real hot, my people. We cannot touch them now, they're real hot. Okay? So stay tuned, watch it. Okay, my beautiful people, they're a little bit hot still. But you know, I can't wait to taste it, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just unwrap him and deal with him proper. I know it's a little bit hotter now, you know, my people. But look at it. Tell us, say, nothing beat them type of blue draws here. Look. Quite shiny and pretty. You see that? I'm showing you guys. I'm unwrapping him slowly for you. See him there. So when he cool all the morning, people. Whoa! You know, I can ingredients to drop in him. Okay, my beautiful people. See it here. See it here, leaf. See the blue draws here. See Duckunoo here. See everything on and talk about. Nice and soft. So my thing them stay. Well cooked. Guys, I know it was gonna nice, you know. The flavor is so good. Look at it, guys. Look at it. This is called the real blue draws, people. Real blue draws. Watch it. This nice, people. When I say nice, mean nice. Trust me. So, this one is the well nice, you know. It's got a morning when it's cool. A cup of tea. Guys, try it. Trust me. Try it. Okay, my beautiful people. I want you to try this recipe. Okay? And you can make it as sweet as you want or blanch as you want. But this flavor I have here is up. And I don't need no more sweet and no more pressure. This is the right flavor. And the spices, guys, are kicking. And it's so soft and delicious, guys. So I want you to try it. And tell me how this one stays. The real blue draws, here. Real blue draws, people. Real blue draws, see? Eh? Nice and shiny and pretty. So you stay. Imagine all the morning when it's cool. Whoa. So guys, I already tried the one in the banana leaf. I know this is the best one. But I'm gonna try this one with the file paper. And tell you the two different texture and flavor that I got from it, okay? So I'm gonna unwrap one of these. This one is real hot, still hot. Still hot, people. One need to cool. Wow, hot like fire, see? Hot. So hot. Need to cool, man. But guys, I want to dig in it for you. I want to taste it. Especially this file paper one here. Wow. Oh, my people. See there? The file paper one there. The color is slightly different with the file paper one. That's what I noticed so far. And the one in the banana leaf have a green more color. Have a greenish color like. Alright, my people, so The one in the banana leaf is have a greenish more color. The one in the file paper have a more brownish color. Okay? That's what I see so far already. So I'm gonna go in the texture and tell you what's the texture. So I'm going in the thick part. I'm going in the thick part. It's still hot. And this one is still hot. This one's cool down fast because it take off already before this one. So I'm gonna dive in this one for you guys. This one looking nice though. Guys, it's almost the same flavor. The only thing with this one, with the one in the banana leaf, it have a more softer texture and it more a little bit sweeter like with flavor. This one has the same flavor too, don't get it wrong. But this one I like this one. This one tastes better. Trust me, this one tastes better to me. But if you don't have the banana leaf, guys, try the file paper. It's almost the same thing. You won't miss it if you don't know about it like me. Okay? So, remember guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Help the channel to grow. So, guys, I'm going to finish my this, you know. I'm going to drink some juice with it, because I have some natural juice I'm going to make for us today. So, I'm going to sit down and eat it. This is my dessert. Okay? Stay tuned. One love. Straight Yard TV. Up and running. Finish clean up this, man. This is nice. Trust me.